taking a break from social media can be a refreshing way to regain focus and prioritize your well-being. If you're an Instagram user looking to temporarily step away without losing your content or connections, freezing your account might be the perfect option. When you freeze or temporarily disable your Instagram account, your profile, photos, comments, and likes are hidden from other users. However, all your data remains intact, and your account can be reactivated simply by logging back in. To freeze your Instagram account, start by logging into your account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. This option isn't available within the Instagram app itself. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings page dedicated to temporary deactivation. Here, you'll be prompted to specify a reason for disabling your account. You can choose from several options, such as "I need a break" or another reason that best fits your situation. After selecting your reason, you'll be asked to re-enter your password for security purposes. Finally, click on the Temporarily Disable Account button. Once you've completed these steps, your account will no longer be visible to others. Your posts, comments, and likes will be hidden, and your profile will be unsearchable. Importantly, your followers will remain unchanged, and no one can unfollow you while your account is frozen. There's no time limit for how long your account can stay deactivated. It will remain hidden until you decide to return. Reactivating your account is easy. Just log in again using your username and password, and your profile will be restored exactly as you left it. Freezing your Instagram account is a secure and reversible way to take a break, ensuring your digital presence is protected while you focus on what matters most.